Were you guys using protection?
Yeah.
We have a kid. We have a kid. Yabona uthe yena kanamntana.
Unomntana nobani?
Nawe uyayazi leyo nto mos. Umntana wethu una 2 years.
Sure.
Because we started sihlangana sim English and then we started dating afterwards.
What if it's not your baby? Why she's denying? Is the baby his?
No, it's not.
Okorokwa.
It's
So now you thought it's your baby the whole time? Oh, that's why you were giving money.
I had to support because I had to make sure that they are both fine, but
So who's the baby? Who's the father of the baby?
my past boyfriend.
Your past boyfriend. Yo.
and she's told me that because before she dated,
Yeah.
we sasijwayele ukubana so sibane. Yeah, and then we started to be formal like a 1 year and a half. Then we started into zethu to be serious, yabo. Then we sometimes we didn't use protection, stuff like that. So then she told me now she's pregnant. Then what's the yabo? What you call it?
Yeah, pregnancy test.
Yeah. So I thought probably because when I count the years we've been together,
Yes.
it does add up, yabo.
Yeah.
But then unfortunately now she's